How to check Milestone Credit Card application status. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can check the application status of your Milestone Credit Card. The first thing you can do is open up any web browser and head over to milestonegoldcard.com. Then make sure to sign into your account by entering all the credentials. For that, you can tap on the My Account section. Once you have been logged into your Milestone account using your credentials, you can check the application status on the website itself. However, if you do not find that option, the next thing you can do is call the Milestone customer service number. For that, you can tap on these three lines and tap on customer service. Now tap on FAQ. Here you have how can I contact the Milestone customer service option. You have the toll-free number here, which is 1-800-305-0330. You can dial this number and speak with the customer service representative. Provide your application reference number or personal information as required to verify your identity and check your application status. You can also send them an email if you want, or you can write a letter and send that to PO Box 4477 Beaverton. With this, the customer service representative will inform you about the application status of your Milestone credit card. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.